Hi, my name is Renee, and oops, I meant to move that before I started recording. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and recently I went on a field trip to Electrolux's North American headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina. That was my fit check for the day, and I do have a full vlog of my trip that I'll be posting on the long-form video platform soon, but for now I just wanted to share this really awesome snippet from Sammy and Sarah from P&G, where they were discussing some of the reasons why Electrolux and Tide are partnering. Also, full disclosure, I was not paid to make or asked to make this video. However, the trip to Electrolux HQ was a generous gift from Electrolux and P&G, so huge thank you to both of them.
So we're really excited to partner with Electrolux.
This is Sammy from P&G, and I actually met her on my last trip to P&G HQ back in June 2023.
We actually have new Tide cooled formulas, and what's great about Electrolux is they have this drawer that actually gives you options to put in the different forms of detergent. So specifically, there is a pods compartment here. So I'm gonna put these in here. This is actually really special to Electrolux because you can put the pods into the drawer, and they have specialized pumps and dissolution technologies to make sure that these dissolve properly.
And this is Sarah from P&G, who I just met on this trip.
The reason why Electrolux machines are Tide Cold certified, you put your pod in here, it ends up dissolving the pod first in the chamber here, and then it circulates it so that you get a fully dissolved pod that's already started working. And the reason why that's important is because washing in cold water, you're using a lower temperature, which means the other vectors of cleaning, which is mechanical and chemical, become more important. So Electrolux has figured out how to get the full chemical energy benefit through their dispenser here. And we've actually measured that in the Tide testing team. And we've seen when you use this dispenser versus putting the pod in a drum in an Electrolux machine, you do get a greater cleaning benefit.
Typically, you would put your pods into the drum directly before your close, but when you do have a drawer that has a specific label for pods, you can be assured that you can use that in the drawer there.